What is up guys, Dan at this side. So in this video I'm going to show you how to optimize faster images in Wix. So first you need to head over to your Wix or Wix Studio, and then you need to choose your site by just clicking on select site, and after clicking on select site, here the site window or the site settings will open. From here on the right side you need to click on edit site. Here as you can see the design site button, click on this. You will find the edit site or design site button. You can just simply give it a click, and then in the new page the editor of your website will open. So to upload an image or to make the compressed image, you just simply need to head over to tiny.png. You can just upload your image here and then you can just compress it, and after compressing it you just need to come back to Wix Studio. And when you are at a Wix Studio editor, on the left side, you can see this plus icon. Click on this plus icon to add some elements. And after that, you just simply need to click on image. And after clicking on image, you can just add that particular image that you want to add. And if you want to upload your images to the Wix Studio's website editor, you can just simply click on this media button here. First, you need to click on this plus icon and then you need to click on media. And after that, from here, you can upload the media by just clicking on this button. And you can also choose single images if you want. Let's say I want this one. I'll just simply drag and drop it here in my website. And here, as you can see, the image has been placed. So you can first download the image from Google or anywhere else, and after that you can head over to tiny.png to compress that particular image. And after compressing that particular image, you can just simply uh, upload it here on your Wix and just paste that compressed image in your Wix Studio. So that was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.